Hi guys, my name is Zishan Shah from zishansha.com and welcome in this video where I will explain you best affiliate program out there. So what are the best affiliate program? In the terms best, it's actually depends to the person to person. So if you are just starting out, you don't know anything, what are the affiliate program, or even you are in a middle level, you know the affiliate program, but what actually brings more money according to your capabilities and according to your niche. So I will explain you in a very deep way what every platform does and why it's better for you if you are in that niche. So just jump into this. I will go from 7 to 1 based on their numbers. You will know, I'm not gonna say anything about them. So number 1 is Warrior Plus. Why I'm telling you Warrior Plus is even exist when nobody's talking about. You could go to warriorforum.com and you will see a lot of people are there, influencers. They are talking about SEO, digital marketing, internet marketing. Sorry, and that's where this one comes from. They are not telling that they are just powered by Warrior Forum, but these are the same people. And what's gonna happen with this, you will get absolutely very crazy, very cheap training, what you are actually getting $1,000 and $5,000 out there. The people here actually coming here from the Warrior Forum, and they want to give you like called WSO kind of thing, Warrior Special Offer, and that Warrior Special Offer is very cheap and give you always kind of a new shot what is going on in the market. And that's why I really like it. You should go there and sign up for some offers. You can promote your offers here, you can get a lot of offers, and you can go to Warrior Forum. So if you are just starting out, you are just learning, and you want to earn a little bit, you will go there, Warrior Forum, warriorplus.com. I will highly recommend that. Second one is JVzoo, that is on number 6. So you would understand why I'm putting that number 6 on the number 6. This is a digital software kind of platform where the people are just starting out. They just put their applications, they are just putting making a new softwares and just using it there. They are using, a lot of people are using for the other kind of offers, digital offers, but JVzoo in a form of like 70% offers here, in my opinion. When I will go there, 70% offers, you buy it and this vendor's gonna go. So you will be very careful when you are just promoting JVzoo offers. Only go for the guys who you really know, the vendors who will just stick with their products. They are very consistent, and then it will make you a lot of money and you can use it to promote your own offers. It's just like half and half. If you know what you are doing, JVzoo is very good. But if you don't know, you are just starting out, I will not recommend to just promote these kind of offers, because what happens when you are just promoting JVzoo offers to the people and then the vendor's gonna go, there will be no offer anymore there, or it's just like one-time offer. It's gonna actually give a big question mark on your credibility towards your audience. So that's not good for you. But if you know the vendors, if you know their history, that's really a yes. So that's why I put it on number 6. So this is JVzoo, definitely is very good for your affiliate marketing campaigns. So number 5 is the Clickbank. Clickbank is a very good platform if you know what you're doing. What do I mean by that? It's the same thing as the JVzoo people. When you are working on the ClickForm or promoting a lot of offers on Clickbank, then you will actually know the vendors, what they are doing, their history, how they actually went along with their previous products, because this is very important. You can make a lot of money with the Clickbank. There is a lot of videos you can go on the YouTube and check out how it's gonna work, but that's Clickbank is really great to learn how you're gonna promote the product. If you are new, you will definitely, I will highly suggest you go Clickbank, promote the product, join the Clickbank and see what actually you are doing. This is how it's gonna work, and you can make a tons of money if you really know how to drive the traffic, what is affiliate marketing, what are the good vendors, what product you have to actually promote on the targeted audience, what are your audience. If you know what you are actually doing, you can do it. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you can click the link below. My free courses where you're gonna start from scratch. Then there will be start from they will tell you about the all the platforms, and then they will tell you about the niche and everything. By the time, if you are that far in the video and you haven't clicked the like button, then it's not fair. So guys, I will highly suggest you to like this video, share and subscribe. Now we're gonna jump into another one. Share a sale. This is number 4. Why share a sale? Share a sale is a physical product affiliate marketing network. What if you are actually interested to promote affiliate marketing product which are physical, like women thing, green merchants, like a fashion store, or you want to have a store with the affiliate product under home and garden, you can use this one. And this is super crazy. Why I'm saying this? Because you just gonna get mostly 30 to 40 to 50% commission by this one. I'm not a fan of physical product, it's not my niche, but I'm not saying it's not good. You can come here and check out all the things here and use it. Personally, I use Share a Sale for some digital products. I'm using Share a Sale, and they have a very good system. You can use that one. This is my favorite, markethealth.com. This is like 15 to 17 years old. It's very good platform. They're gonna actually pay you on time. And this is actually, if you could see here, they have specialized on these supplement and skincare or pet health or teeth whitening, all these kind of offers. It's health and beauty affiliate program, because these people are actually specialized in health and beauty affiliate marketing offers. So you can come here, you could see that all offers. You can click here and they will tell you everything. What are the offers? You could see their payouts are very good, $40, $50, and this industry is booming right now. A lot of people are actually promoting this one everywhere, guys, and no matter where you live in the world, you can promote those ones. And my experience with them is always so good, because they are super targeted on their offers, and they are not giving you some cheap offers to promote. So you can use this one as for definitely for making so much money online. Now, Amazon Associate, this is really great thing. The best part I like about Amazon Associate, you will just send a person here, and no matter what they gonna buy from millions of product, I'm not sure how many products they have, you still gonna get the commission. The person will cookie it with your affiliate link. For instance, you will send them for bicycle and they will buy some cream here or sandal here. You're gonna still make the commission from here. So that's why Amazon, I like it. But the problem with the Amazon, the commission is very less. There are the people I know, they are making so much money. I have my own course on that with the Amazon, if you are only focused on Amazon, but the commission rates are not that higher as these guys gonna give you. So if you will mix this, all of these with Amazon, that's gonna be gold mine for you guys. So I will highly suggest you to sign up for Amazon Associate and use it as another income of stream. But this is highly reliable. This is very good. Impact.com, it was Impact Radius before, and they just changed it to Impact.com, guys. And these guys are the bridges with the main affiliate offers, like big brands. I actually not use those kind of brands because I'm more in the digital market, I'm more in this market, I'm more in this market, I'm more in this market, in the digital way, not in a niche way, not in the physical products. I just do the niche affiliate marketing so much. But this is, I don't use it because I am not fond of a lot of big brands, because they have a market budget, they have all saturated market. But still, if you know what you are doing, it is very best program for you. Impact. The other one is Commission Junction, which is my favorite. Why? Because you can make a lot of money with Commission Junction. Imagine this, if you are making $1,000 per sale using these kind of people, they have a lot of budget. You're gonna send on their website, they're gonna buy something from them. You will get a lot of big commissions and a list of big markets. They are big brands. even 500 Fortune companies are there. They use commission junction affiliate marketing network. And if you really want to go for high ticket, I will highly suggest you, instead of you going here and there private offers, whether they're gonna pay you or not, just go to commission junction and actually sign up with them. And I will tell you, if you don't know about affiliate marketing, or if you want to learn from how to make $300 to $1,000 a day from affiliate marketing, I'm just bringing you the full course. You can click the link below and check it out. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel or like this video or haven't shared my video, I will highly suggest you to do that. It's gonna appreciate me to make more videos and make more content for you guys. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.